Hey, how's it going, guys? Good. I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to completely remove everything on your main screen, on your home screen. So obviously this is me pressing the home button. This is me back on my basically my desktop, my main page. Only thing I have, as you can see, like if I scroll all the way to the end, only thing I have is my weather, which I can actually I can even take it off if I wanted to. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this clean appearance, and even like there's I do have another video on this channel where I show you guys how to clean up your app drawer to look like this. So with the transparent background, um with the with the icons not having any labels under them, any titles. And even like how to change icons. So like this icon is not what it used to be. I changed it. This is for a call recorder. I was the one who changed it. And then this W is my WhatsApp, so I changed it as well. And then this music icon is my Spotify, so I changed that too. So there's another video on my channel. You can actually find it. Just click on my profile and you can go look for it. I show you how to do all of that. But in this video, I'm gonna quickly just keep it short and just show you guys how to change an icon. I'm sorry, how to clean up your desktop. So if you're someone who doesn't want to have anything, because I like to have my wallpapers. So I like using my 4K wallpapers that I get from 7fun, from this app. Some fun wallpapers. So I like to not have anything. Oh, I like this one, so I'm gonna add it. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So to get started, you're gonna need to go to the App Store and download an app called the Nova Launcher. So Nova Launcher is a pretty good launcher. I already have it installed, so I'm just gonna open it. And so when you open it, it just takes you back to your desktop. So that kind of tells you that my Android is running with this launcher. If I go to settings, and if I go to select default launcher, I can set it back to one UI home, and I do that just once, just to show you guys what my phone would look like otherwise. So this is what the phone normally looks like. You know, you have all this crap going on, this Bixby and all this nonsense going on. This is what my phone normally looks like. But now that I've changed this, but once I go back to my Nova launcher, you see that the home screen changes. So yeah, hang on, Nova launcher, always. So now you can see that the home screen has changed. So to do this, just go to Nova launcher, or just long click on your home screen, and then it'll bring you to this menu, and then just click settings. This is after you've installed it and you've set Nova Launcher as your default launcher, right? So if you want to set Nova Launcher as your default launcher, all you do is you launch the Nova Launcher app, and then you go to settings, and then you go to select. So you scroll to the bottom, as you can see, and you choose select default launcher, and then just click Nova Launcher, and then just click always, and then you're good. So now to clean up your home screen, you want to scroll back to the top, and that's the first option you're gonna see. You can choose if you want to have apps on your home screen. You can choose like the configuration, like if you want to have like 6 vertically and 5 horizontally. It's up to you. So things like your icon sizes, you can modify those as well. So you can see like that. You can do that if you want to. Labels, you can turn label on, off, change the colors of your labels. As you can see, they've changed. Change the, you can put shadows if you want or not, single line or not. Yeah, but I like to turn my labels off, so I'm gonna turn that off. And then also your dock. So if you want, you can have a dock. So like now that I've turned the dock on, you see. So this black bar and also my wallpaper has changed. That's because I have it on I have it on my 7 Fun app to automatically change every 2 minutes. So it changes my wallpapers from my favorites, right? From the ones that I've made my favorites. It changes them every 2 minutes. So I always have a different wallpaper, basically, because I like my wallpapers. So then you go to advanced. So this is if you want dock, right? So when I turn this off now, you see that this. You see that. So basically, the dock is like, it's kind of like this thing where like apps are stored. Like, how do I explain it? So this dock, so like these apps that are here right now, you can see. So this is my dock, but I don't want to see those apps there, so I'll just turn them off, and now they're gone. So that's basically, that's all that is. So that's for that. Your search bar widget, you can just do none. I don't want any of that. Wallpaper scrolling, yes, turn that on. Infinite scroll, you can turn that on if you want to. All that does is like, it makes it so that if you scroll all the way to one side, it'll automatically bounce you to the other side, and then you can scroll again. So it basically creates that effect that you're scrolling infinitely, which you're really not, just an effect. So again, my wallpaper has changed. I like this one actually. So basically at this point, right, once you have your Nova Launcher installed, at this point all you're gonna do is just delete everything else that's there. So let me actually show it. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys. So your page indicator, let's see this. So you can see this. You can see over here. I'm gonna put my stylus towards the bottom here, towards this home button, like right above it. There are these dots that kind of indicate what page you are on your home screen. So, but I also don't want that. I want my home screen to be completely blank. So I always keep mine off. So none. So when, and then also it gives you this option where like if you install new apps, should they be automatically added to your homepage, you can turn it off. So mine is off. So when I install apps, you won't see them on my homepage. And then what else? What else? So the pattern is kind of like, yes. So basically, self-explanatory. It's just like this kind of thing, this window. It's kind of like frame. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I can't really tell. Okay, so I think it's like it's for the app drawer. So I kind of like it actually. I'm gonna keep it. It kind of makes it cleaner. I like it. So that's basically how you do that. I encourage you to play around with the Nova Launcher. You can, there's a lot, like there's almost an infinite amount of things you can do. Even, and that's just with the basic version. That's without even paying for the more complex premium version. There's so much you can do with just the app itself. So I definitely recommend, like, once a while just play around with it, see if you like it. So yeah, that's cool. So that's how you do that. I like my Android to be clean. I don't like having too much going on. I don't like having clunky clutter on my screens. So I like to keep things plain and simple. So that's kind of why I did all of this, and it's very clean. I mean, my icons are there. One thing that I like, once you install Nova Launcher, you can actually rename any app you want. So, and the best thing about that is that if you when you do that, it'll change the alphabetical placement of the app. So now you can see that like this was named Call Recorder before, and it's on the main page, which you can tell by my Amazon Kindle, Amazon Music. So my 7th font, this is my first page for my app drawer. But if I now rename it to Recorder, from Call Recorder to just Recorder, then you see that it'll go to the second to the last page, or even to the last page, because it's gonna go in alphabetical order. And then also another thing you can do is you can change the icon. And but this only works if you've installed Nova Launcher. So you can change your icons. So let's see if I want to. What's a good call recorder icon? Sorry guys, I'm tired. I've had a stressful day. My car broke down. And then I just started a new job. My car breaks down. It's the end of the month. Bills are due, rent is due, all that stuff is due. My car breaks down, so I have to buy a new car. Let's figure out how I'm gonna pay my other bills, and yeah. So having a long day and a long week so far. But I just changed that app's icon, and I just changed its label, so now here it is. So there's a lot you can do with this app, and it's one of my favorites because it gives you complete control of your phone's appearance at least. So I definitely recommend you guys check out these apps, the Nova Launcher here, and the 7 Font. You don't need the Nova Launcher to use the 7 Font's automatic wallpaper changer, because all you do is you click on this setting option here, you go to auto wallpapers, then you can actually change the order that it changes and you can change the setting of it, fixed or with scrolling. With scrolling makes your wallpaper go to different pages on your home screen, and then you can set the interval too, or you can even set it to change every time you unlock your phone screen. So that's something that you can do. So there's a lot you can do with this app too. So you guys check it out. I don't want to keep talking forever. Thanks for watching. Do help me get to 1,000 subs if you want. It's completely up to you. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm tired. I'm so sorry about this.